Welcome to our channel, Wafa Tech and Tricks. In today's fast-changing job market, learning doesn't stop after graduation. It's a lifelong process. Online courses have become one of the most powerful tools for career advancement, allowing professionals to gain new skills, earn certifications, and stay ahead of industry trends without leaving their homes. Whether you are aiming for promotion, switching careers, or simply enhancing your expertise, online learning platforms provide flexible, affordable, and career-focused opportunities to help you reach your goals. This ultimate guide will walk you through everything you need to know about choosing and leveraging online courses to take your career to the next level. The modern workplace is more competitive than ever. Employers now seek professionals who can adapt quickly, learn new skills, and stay relevant in a fast-changing digital landscape. Online courses have become a game changer, offering a flexible and affordable way to grow professionally. Instead of waiting years for a traditional degree, you can now upskill in weeks or months without leaving your home. Now we will move forward and look benefits of online courses for career growth. Number 1, flexibility. Learn at your own pace whenever it fits your schedule. Number 2, affordability. Most online courses cost far less than traditional education. Number 3, accessibility. Learn from world-class universities, industry experts, and global companies. Number 4, career focused. Courses are designed to provide practical skills that can be applied immediately. Number 5, networking opportunities. Many platforms connect learners with mentors, instructors, and industry peers. Now we will discuss top skills to learn through online courses. Digital marketing, social media, SEO, and paid advertising. Data analytics and AI, using data-driven insights to make smarter decisions. Project management, Agile, Scrum, and PMP certifications. Tech and IT skills, web development, cybersecurity, cloud computing. Soft skills, communication, leadership, and emotional intelligence. Now we will see best platforms for online learning. Number 1, Coursera offers professional certificates from Google, Meta, and top universities. Number 2, Udemy. Thousands of affordable courses across all industries. Number 3, LinkedIn Learning, perfect for building business and leadership skills. Number 4, edX, university-level courses with the option for certifications. Number 5, Skillshare, great for creative skills like design, video editing, and entrepreneurship. Now I will tell you how to choose the right online course. First of all, you should know what your career goals are, know exactly what you want to achieve, promotion, career switch, or skill upgrade. Then check course reviews. Here's how you can check them. See feedback from past learners before enrolling. Look for certification. Verified certificates add weight to your resume or LinkedIn profile. Ensure practical learning. Choose courses with hands-on projects and real-world applications. Taking a course isn't enough. You need to apply what you learn. And here's how you can apply what you have learned. Create a study schedule and stay consistent. Join course forums or communities for networking. Apply new skills to your current job or side project. Showcase certifications on your LinkedIn and resume. Online courses are no longer just a trend, they are a necessity for anyone serious about career growth. With the right mindset and the right platform, you can transform your career trajectory, gain in-demand skills, and open doors to new opportunities. The future belongs to professionals who never stop learning, and online courses are the key to staying ahead. The job market is changing faster than ever. Technology, automation, and new industries are transforming how we work. This means the skills you learned a few years ago may no longer be enough. Unlike traditional education, which can take years, online learning allows you to pick up in-demand skills in weeks or months, all from the comfort of your home. So why are online courses such a powerful tool for career growth? First, they are flexible. You learn at your own pace. Second, they are affordable, often costing a fraction of college tuition. Third, they're accessible. Anyone with an internet connection can learn from global experts and top universities. What kind of skills can you pick up? The list is endless, but here are a few hot areas in 2025. Digital marketing, including social media, SEO, and advertising. Data analytics and AI, helping companies make smarter decisions. Project management with the certifications like Agile or Scrum. Tech and IT skills such as coding, cloud computing, or cybersecurity. And let's not forget soft skills like communication and leadership, which are just as important for career. Now let's talk about where to take these courses. Platforms like Coursera and edX offer certificates from top universities. Udemy is great for affordable practical skills. LinkedIn Learning is perfect if you want to boost your professional profile. And for creative, Skillshare has courses in design, video, and entrepreneurship. The key is to pick the platform that matches your goal. But before you enroll, you need to choose wisely. Start by defining your career goal. Are you aiming for a promotion, switching careers, or learning a new skill? Next, read reviews and check the course syllabus to ensure it's up to date. Look for courses that offer certificates and hands-on projects because employers value proof of practical skills, not just theory. The workplace is evolving at lightning speed. With technology, automation, and global competition shaping industries, professionals can no longer rely solely on traditional degrees. Online courses have emerged as one of the most effective ways to stay relevant, gain new skills, and advance in your career. They allow you to keep learning without putting your job or personal life on hold, making them the perfect tool for continuous growth. One of the greatest advantages of online courses is flexibility. You can learn at your own pace, on your own schedule, and from anywhere in the world. They are also more affordable compared to traditional education, making professional development accessible to almost everyone. Beyond cost and convenience, online courses are career focused, meaning they are designed to provide practical skills you can apply immediately. Many platforms also connect learners with instructors, mentors, and peers, creating valuable networking opportunities. Skills that can boost your career. Online courses cover nearly every industry and skill imaginable. Popular areas for career growth include digital marketing, where you can master SEO, social media, and paid ads. Data analytics and AI, helping you make smarter data-driven decisions. Project management with certifications like Agile, Scrum, and PMP, and tech skills such as web development, cloud computing, or cybersecurity. Top platforms to explore. Choosing the right platform can make all the difference. Coursera and edX partner with the top universities and companies to provide high-quality certifications. Udemy offers thousands of affordable practical courses across a wide range of topics. LinkedIn Learning is ideal for business management and leadership skills by helping you showcase certificate directly on your LinkedIn profile. For creatives and entrepreneurs, Skillshare is a popular choice with courses on design, content creation, and freelancing. How to choose the right course. Before enrolling, it's important to select courses that align with your career goals. Start by asking yourself, do you want a promotion, a career change, or to build skills for a side business? Next, check course reviews, instructor credibility, and the syllabus to ensure the content is current and practical. Look for programs that provide certifications and hands-on projects as they are highly valued by employers and can strengthen your resume. Online courses are more than just an educational trend. They are a powerful investment in your career. By consistently learning new skills, you stay ahead of industry changes, increase your value in the workplace, and open doors to new opportunities. Whether you are aiming to climb the corporate ladder, transition into a new field, or simply grow as a professional, online learning is the ultimate tool to help you achieve your goals. To wrap it up, online courses are no longer just a nice to have, they are a must have for anyone serious about career growth. If this video was helpful for you, then don't forget to press the like button and give me your feedback in the comment section. And subscribe my channel for further more informational videos. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.